Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be making the um cartoon animation of that bird flying that you saw in the beginning of the video. So you go to your Google Play Store and you download this app called Chromatoons make animation. So I'll just open it. Okay, so this is the interface of the Chromatoons. So I don't need all this one, so I'll just come to this character here, this character below the play button, and I'll just click on none, just remove all the characters. Okay, so I'll go to this SP here, this SP, and I'm going to be importing the bird that I'll be using. So to import, just select get characters. Okay, so these are the characters. So you can see bird characters. Click on it. We'll be using the female toony bird. So just copy the key code. The key code is what we need. You also need the name. So copy the key code. This is toony underscore female. So go back to your Chromatoon, which is toony underscore female. Then you enter the key code that you copied. So just erase this part. Click on OK. And you click on import. So you can see that the bird has already appeared on the screen. So I'll click on OK. It will show an ad. So you click on OK. I just want to increase the size a little bit, so I'll click on this plus icon and just increase the size. I also want the default move to be 5. Okay, let me increase the size. So you can see this plus and this minus icon. Just click on the plus and move. Okay, so once you're done, you just click on the play icon and you can see what you've done. I actually want the background to be green screen because I actually want to use a different background. So I'll just click on this background icon and change it to green background. So I'll just click on record for it to record. So head over to Kinemaster, select the middle icon 69, and I'm going to bring in my background. Okay, so you click on layer and you're going to bring in the recorded video from Chromatoon. So you click on chroma key, you enable chroma key. So I'll just get right there, and I'll just zoom it out. Okay, so I'll just trim all these parts. Okay, this part where it stops, I want it to continue moving forward, so I'll just click on it, then I will split at playhead here, and I'll click on this part. I don't need this part again, so I'll trim to the right of playhead. So I'll click on this one and I'll click the key icon. I'll just move it to the ending. And I'll just move the bed. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.